Here, look at this big one.
I'm teaching her to say,
Grab right here.
no spanking, because
He's always teasing.
no spanking.
He's always teasing her.
Oh, no spanking.
It's Christmas 2013.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You can hand it to her.
Steven, there's a red card for you in the tree.
He was going to hand it to her.
Abby! She doesn't know how to. Logan's fault.
Logan.
Logan.
It's okay.
He wanted to give it to his sister.
Look. Steven is going to be 16 in a couple weeks. Aubrey is 2. Logan is 4. Lexi, how old are you? How old are you? Exactly. We won't talk about everybody else's age.
Your grandma look at it? I will hold it for you. Open your own present.
Merry Christmas. You have to tell me and show me what you got. How you do it.
A game!
Wow!
Can I open it?
Yes, that's a fun game with Leapfrog, isn't it?
Girl, tear it up.
Wow.
Mommy, can you help me open it? Can you?
Uncle Victor or Grandma will help you open it, please.
Grandma, me?
Uncle Victor help you open it.
It's your puzzle? Your partner? Rip it.
Be careful, you're kicking her present.
So count it up. Tell me the tally.
That kitty moves.
190. Awesome.
Anytime you move, you go. That kitty wants to get out of that suitcase.
He's trying to get out of that suitcase.
What's this?
Lexi, did you open yours?
I cut this one.
Did you get what you wanted? I thought the little laptop would keep him busy on the 3 things you put on your
Yeah.
list, right?
Oh, it's good.